In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Olixar tempered glass screen protector. In the box, you'll get the glass screen protector, a microfiber cloth, a dust removal sticker, and also a wet wipe as well. To start with, you'll want to turn off your device. Now you can grab the wet wipe and wipe the screen clean, removing all fingerprints. From here, grab the microfiber cloth and dry the whole screen. Grab the dust stickers and dab them all over the display, making sure no dust remains. Now you can grab the glass screen protector and remove the protective backing. Then carefully hover it over your phone, making sure the fingerprint hole is over the fingerprint reader. Then carefully place it down. Now apply a bit of pressure around the edges of the screen protector and also over the fingerprint reader. Now it's installed, you'll need to turn your device back on, go into the settings and add your fingerprint.